10 dangerous carbs diabetics keep eating. Number 10. Dried fruits. Dried fruits make for a tasty solution to curb your hunger and sweet cravings, plus they usually pack a decent amount of fiber. However, the downside is their high sugar content. To put it in perspective, a petite box of raisins, 43 grams, packs a whopping 25 grams of sugar, and the same goes for a 50-gram serving of dates. Opt for fresh fruits instead of dried ones. Reach for an apple or a banana as a speedy and nutritious on-the-go snack. Number 9. White rice. So, let's dive into the topic of white rice. It's that nice and fluffy grain, isn't it? But did you realize it can send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster? You probably did, right? Instead, why not give brown rice a shot or explore other rice varieties like cauliflower rice, miracle rice, or shaki rice? You'll still enjoy good taste, and your blood sugar will be in much better shape. Number 8. Potatoes. Moving on, let's bid farewell to potatoes, or perhaps just tweak how we prepare them. These spuds have a tendency to spike your blood sugar, but fear not. Cook them up with a healthy fat like olive oil and toss them in some leafy greens for a fiber boost. Alternatively, whip up a refreshing potato salad with a splash of lemon juice. This alters the starch molecules and slows down digestion, especially if you freeze the potato beforehand. Also, don't let the potato cook with water, and it'll have a much improved blood sugar profile than if prepared otherwise. Number 7. Ketchup. Now, onto ketchup. It's the ideal companion for fries, right? But many brands sneak in sweeteners among their ingredients, and many of you are aware of that, but some still go for it. So, check those labels and be cautious of sugars. You might spot things like high fructose corn syrup or malt syrup. Trust me, your blood sugar levels will thank you for it. Number 6. Pasta. Speaking of white pasta, right? Sure, it's delicious, but it can seriously mess with your blood sugar levels. And let's not even start on how it can trigger those endless hunger pangs. If you're not on POS hours, just be mindful not to overcook it. You can still enjoy a delightful meal without the blood sugar roller coaster if you know what you're doing. And remember, no matter the pasta type, always finish it off with a drizzle of olive oil. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 5. Bagels. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite bagels. What's the plan with those, right? Or the breads? Back in the day, they were seen as low-fat heroes, but surprise, surprise, these carb-loaded rings can send your blood sugar on an endless roller coaster ride. If you're craving a bagel or toast, try spreading some creamy avocado, packed with healthy fats, or add a few slices of omega-3 rich smoked salmon. It's the perfect combo to keep your blood sugar in check. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not go for a whole grain bagel? It may not be the best for your blood sugar, but it earns you some extra points, doesn't it? Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. Now, onto artificial sweeteners. Some think they're harmless, but here's the deal: they can mess with your metabolism and lead to unwanted fat deposits. If you've got a sweet tooth, treat yourself to goodies made with real sweeteners every now and then, maybe once or twice a season. Number 3. Fruit juice. And what about fruit juice? It's like a superhero when your blood sugar is low, but that's the only time you should sip on it. It's not your best ally in the long run. Why? The concentrated carbs in fruit juices can cause wild spikes and later drops in your blood sugar levels. So, save it for emergencies. Make water your everyday go-to beverage for diabetes control. You can add flavorings if you like, but stick to water. Number 2. Energy bars. Now, energy bars. Some are basically glorified candy bars. With all that added sugar, they can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. But don't forget, there are some good ones out there. Look for bars with wholesome ingredients like nuts and whole grains. And keep portions small. If they come in a pack like this, try to have only half of it. And if you're counting carbs, make sure to factor them into your daily count, as they can be easily overlooked. Number 1. Low-fat sweetened yogurt. Let's be real about low-fat sweetened yogurt, okay? Many think it's a healthy choice, but here's the lowdown. Manufacturers add stabilizers, thickeners, sugars, and the like to compensate for the lack of fat. Not great for your blood sugar levels, right? Instead, go for plain yogurt and add flavor with fresh fruits, for example. That way, you're in control. There you have it, folks. Remember, these swaps aren't just about being diabetes friendly, they're also about adding variety to your diet. So, let's prioritize health and happiness. Those are our top priorities. So, there you go, some eye-opening insights about foods and diabetes. While some might not surprise my regular followers, believe me, some people raise their eyebrows when I mention that potatoes aren't ideal. They're like, I never heard that. Keep in mind, embrace the adventure, and always keep your blood sugars in check. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.